Hey guys, and welcome back. Sorry I've been away for a while. Not been particularly well, so I've just had to get that resolved. But I am back, and I'm going to show you. Sam's just been serviced. There's her bill. I'll give you the full breakdown in the picture that will be there. She was covered for this. So it was a 50,000 service, it was a major service, and I had to have the wing mirror replaced because I had a slight incident, so it broke my wing mirror, which was damned expensive. So I've had a full 50k service, new pads front and rear. The service itself was only €349, but all the incidentals that I've had done to do it made everything more expensive. So I've had the new brake pads front and rear. I've had new cameras fitted, so I've had my in-off cameras fitted. I couldn't do it myself, so I had them; they were done for me. And I also had to get a new ignition coil, another one. Last time ignition coil 1 went off cylinder 1, this time from cylinder 3. Looks like the summer weather that was in the UK wasn't particularly good, so it caused a few issues. So it bumped my bill up. But all in all, it's not bad when you think about it. It took 3 hours of a moto electrician's time to fit the in-off cameras, but they've been done beautifully. And Andreas has put the GPS system in. He's put the camera in the right place. He's even thought about draining from where the battery is. There's a little build-up of, or there's like a little reservoir. And the reservoir should never be full. It should never have anything in it. But unfortunately it did, and it kept on storing water, hence me losing the ignition coil on 3, which explains the little judder I had at high speed. But only when the engine was warm, which was, considering I've just done a lot of miles, was quite a lot. So the tyres, I've done 1,500 miles now on the new ones. I'll put a picture there. That's 1,500. The tyres are absolutely the best thing ever. They're the best tyres ever for a K1600. Now, I'll be back a little bit later and we can talk about other things. But right now, have a cup of coffee with my name on it. I'll catch you later, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back. Right, there is a set of Michelin Road Pilot 6 GTs. That's got 1,500 miles on the clock, or about 2,300 kilometers, and they are looking as if they've hardly been worn. Yep, they look absolutely almost like new. Now Sam's just been serviced, so she's just had a 50,000 mile service. She's in good nick. She's running and sounding beautiful again. And she is looking good. Right, so let's go for a quick ride. I got the in-off cameras on, and there's my little GPS finder, and the cameras I'll show you afterwards. As you can hear, Sam is now sounding back to her majestic self. Now, some of you may have noticed I'm back in Ingolstadt for a while. I am, while I close my apartment down. And then I am heading home to Spain. I call it home because that's where my heart is now. Germany was a good memory, but that's all it is. It feels as if I'm visiting, and well, there's no ocean, there's no sun, and it just doesn't feel the same. Tell you what, let's have a blast up the Autobahn. I think I like that idea. Just going to put the visor down. Hang on. Now, I'm not quite certain how I managed to do this, but I also managed to damage my quick shifter cables. 4 little cables just at the back of that cubby, and I think I must have shoved something in a little bit too sharp because I severed the 4 cables. So I lost my quick shifter for a while, but it's back, it's working well, and I'm enjoying it. And the new brakes just stopped me on a sixpence. I almost fell off. I lost my balance. Right. Swing. Lovely cornering angles. Choose my entrance. There it is. Double check it one more time. And that's what you call a howl. And the one thing I love about the tyres is they've made Sam even more stable at any speed. And she sings. Mike, if you're watching this, you're making the right choice going for the K1600. Yep, it's heavier when you've got no movement, but once you get moving, it's as light and flickable as the R1250 GT, so don't worry about it. You've made the right choice, and it's a brilliant bike. Welcome to the club. these new dancing boots on. She sings, she dances, and she is light and flickable. An American truck flying the Confederate flag on the streets of Ingolstadt. I love the irony. Man, that was fun. Tell you what, we'll go through the car park.